guys, welcome back to a new episode of R&Dgarage. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my channel. And of course, all you guys who've been there since the beginning and joined along the way, thank you so much. We're having a good time. So today I'm super excited. You can see we have this beautiful, beautiful Alfa Romeo in the shop. It's not, unfortunately, ours, as much as I would like to keep it, but it's my buddy Nick's. And so we're gonna bring him out in a second, and we're gonna do a walk around on his brand new, to him, Alfa Romeo. And poof, here's Nick.
What's up?
Oh, I'm so glad to see you. It's always fun hanging out. So anyway, congratulations on this car purchase. I know you've wanted an Alfa like forever. So you had the R32, that's the one we did the spark plugs on and, you know, kind of changed up a little bit. But this guy, I mean, oh my gosh. So first of all, tell me why you wanted an Alfa.
Well, to be honest, after traveling Europe, I would see them everywhere, and I was like, oh man, that's just something I would love to drive every day, because it felt so different, you know, like seeing them everywhere and like all the different European cars we don't have here. And after seeing them reintroduce Alfa to the US in 2016, I was like, okay, I need one of those. So finally did it. After a couple years, I got a 2018. It's a Giulia TI Lusso. So it's the like kind of luxury trim. So I love it so far.
Oh, I love it. And also nice flex while I was traveling through Europe. No, I'd love to give them. So what engine does this have?
So this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder. It's 280 horsepower, 306 pound-feet of torque, I believe.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty good. They have a lot of different tunes for it that I'm gonna do down the line when my warranty is expired. I'll wait a little bit for that.
Sign of a true car guy. Completely. Oh, it's awesome. And do you know what this paint color is called?
I actually don't.
Okay, don't worry about it. But you guys, you're gonna see in the sunlight, it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it looks just like a flat black here, but when you get it out in the light, there's like little sparkles and just...
There's a lot of green and blue in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what packages does the car have?
So this is a TI Lusso. So it's like there's the base Giulia, which is called the Sprint. Then there's the TI. Then there's like, I think there's 3 different trims for the TI. There's the TI Sport, and then TI Lusso, which is what this is. And it just has like the more luxurious package. So like it has the nicer dashboard, all leather dash, Harman Kardon speakers, the luxury seats. So yeah.
Oh, well, it's absolutely gorgeous. And you guys, it's so funny because it feels, the STI has a bit more horsepower than this guy does, but this one feels so light and nimble and faster. Literally every time he brings it by, I'm like, D, we should really consider the Alfa. Which, D right now, I know we should. But I mean, so far, you've had it for a couple months now?
Yeah, about 4 months.
Yeah, and you've had like no issues?
No issues, no. Nice. I mean, I was a little bit nervous about like buying it. Like, I've always heard they're like really unreliable, but like, I feel like the newer Alfas have gotten a lot better. I mean, it's an FCA car, so it's a big, big car company. It's,
Yeah, that's true.
So it's been great so far.
Yay. Yeah. Okay. Well, you guys, you know what? We're going to go ahead, pop the hood, and then after that, we're going to take a walk around, and then I think we're actually going to do a driving thing too, so you guys can hear it.
Get a few sound clips.
Yes, because his exhaust is just, it sounds freaking amazing. Okay. Yay! Stay tuned. guys, thank you so much for watching this walk around tour of my bestie's Alfa Romeo. I am so happy that he finally got his dream car. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so happy for him. And whenever he comes up now, it's like, do you want to take the Lotus or do you want to take the Alfa? Let's take the Alfa. So yeah, and he's used to that, so it's all good. But anyway, thank you so much for joining us. Like I said, be sure to turn on those notifications. Definitely subscribe to R&Dgarage, because you guys, we have so much fun stuff planned for this summer. You're not going to want to miss any of it. So again, thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.